Financial independence is an oasis, like winning the lottery or having $1 million in your retirement account when you're ready to retire. The thought of being debt-free is like thinking about winning the lottery. Sounds fantastic, but the odds of winning are slim to none. The odds of winning the lottery are so slim because you're competing with millions of other hopeful souls looking for an answer to financial freedom. The odds of getting out of debt are even worse because we're battling a financial system that would collapse like a wet paper bag if we paid off our debt. Anyone in the credit business does not want you out of debt, not if they want to stay in business and support their lavish lifestyle. They have a vested interest in your debt. Where is their incentive to you being debt-free? Debt is good business. That's why there are thousands of companies at the ready to extend you more credit. Don't believe this to be true? The numbers tell a different story. In 2003, we owed $8 trillion in consumer debt. Today, consumer debt has reached $17.5 trillion. $17.5 trillion in outstanding debt equates to about $3 million in interest per minute. That's $4.3 billion a day in interest, or $1.4 trillion per month. This isn't conspiracy theory or conjecture. This is real money that is accruing while you watch this video. And how much of that interest will be paid next month? At least 99%. We the people are creating millionaires every month simply by following the rules of financial literacy. If you have debt, any kind of debt, will you be making your payments next month? And the month after that? And the month after that? And the month after that? How long do you want to play this game? Do your financial plans include years and years of monthly payments and paying untold amounts of interest? Interest that should be accruing in your retirement account instead of theirs. When you think about your finances and your future, do you feel empowered and confident, or enslaved and hopeless? How about your kids, grandkids, and future generations? Will their financial lives look like ours do today, with 45% of their paycheck going towards creditors? The truth, they don't have a choice, unless you teach them something different, something better. Since 2006, Truth in Equity and credit line banking has been the better choice for thousands of people just like you. Were they scared when they started CLB? Yes, they were. Change is always scary, but that fear didn't last long because they could see and feel the financial trajectory of their lives change in a matter of days. Truth in Equity is not a company to fear, but a company you want to know. Who you should fear are those that have an incentive to keep you in debt because they have predetermined your financial future. Visit truthinequity.com, schedule a call, and discover how credit line banking can and will change your financial future without sacrificing your future. When you visit Truth in Equity, you can even run your own numbers. Truth in Equity's proprietary calculator will help you see your future on CLB.